is an example of how you would import your contacts. I have my spreadsheet open here, and as you can see, I am importing a contact with a tag. Now you are able to import multiple tags by using a comma. The problem with that is that if you add additional tags, the category will become import. So if you use one tag and it's already in your app, it will be matched to the category. If you add a second tag, it will then have the import category. However, there is another way that you can apply multiple tags to your contact if they're already in your app, and I'll show you that in just a little bit. I also have a company, which I can also connect the contact record to the company record. You just want to make sure that the spelling that you have under the company is exact. Here we go. I'm going to go to Import Data, click Go, browse to the file, and click Next. Here is where you can match your fields. So if the contact in the Excel doesn't match the fields in Infusionsoft, not a problem. Just find it in the drop down and you'll be on your way. So I'm going to change house to street address 1 billing and then click next. You definitely want to go through the marketing if these contacts fall into this category. I am not going to go through this right now. I'm just going to go ahead and click no. However, when I do click no, it will import the contact as non-marketable, so they won't be able to have any emails. Just doing that for the example. This is the final review. It's very important to go through what you're previewing here and your file. You can quickly see what you have to make sure there's no mistakes. To connect your company with your company record, you're going to click this checkbox here, and that's going to attach that company record to the contact. Now, if you had additional tags that you wanted to apply to your contacts you're importing, you're going to click on Run Some Actions, and then Apply Tag. And here you can select all the tags that you want to have applied to these contacts without creating an import category tag. You can also do other actions as well, such as assigning them as a referral partner. So I'm just going to click Done. And then I'm pull up the contact that we just imported. You'll see that he is linked to the company record. And then we have the one tag with the correct category. All the contacts who are imported will have the imported tag with the date and timestamp. So that's it. That's all you have to do to import your contacts. If for any reason the import didn't go as expected, you can always go back to the import data, click on view your previous imports, and click rollback. That will remove everything that was imported and you can give that another shot. Let me know if you have any questions.